And back by popular demand, I'm going to do a comparative gutting video for you guys to see how the lockpicking lawyer would gut a lock compared to how I would gut a lock. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get into it. Alright, it is now open and I'm going to proceed to gut this lock and show you what's inside. And there you have it, guys. We've got to remove the clamp using some clamp removers here. Oh, right, we didn't lose the clamp that time. Oh my. Oh.